Oh yeah, you're going blindfolded. He's going blindfolded.
Blindfolded. All right. We got Gma here.
Good morning. Happy Easter. I like your sweater. It's so pretty.
3, 2, 1.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, 2 pom-poms. Oh my gosh. They're so cute. Donkey got a little baby wristband piece.
Gma on her Easter sweater. Looking good.
And I got bubbles. Oh, I got chocolate.
That's my favorite chocolate. You guys better share.
It's a big chocolate. This is a bunny chocolate.
Okay, on your mark. Get set. Go. Oh wow. You're good. Wow, look at all those eggs! This is amazing! Oh my gosh, a golden egg! Happy Easter!
Happy Easter. You guys all look so nice.
Thank you.
Just a meal.
Yummy, look at all this. Yeah.
She's so Here, you guys, let me take a picture.
What are we doing this weekend, you guys?
We're going to Lake Havasu.
It's spring break 2026, baby.
Let's go. Let's go.
And we're gonna first go to In-N-Out.
Dylan picked In-N-Out. We're gonna go.
And they're not saying 67 anymore.
Like they're not calling that number out because you think they're gonna stop calling 41 too?
No,
31.
there was just a big catastrophe with number 67. Every time it would be called, people come in like a crowd. Like
And they went crazy.
A little In-N-Out going on.
Oh yeah.
You happy, D? You got some In-N-Out, buddy?
It's so.
Here we go.
We made it and there's only one survivor.
Hello. I'm a party animal.
I'm a party animal.
She's a rager like her mama.
And also, these people were on top of me the whole drive.
We made it. All right, Joe just showed up with Kate and Juge. Let's see. They made it. Joe, Kate, and Juge.
Doesn't he go potty?
We're good.
You good?
First day in Havasu.
Some
Yeah, buddy.
rock and roll!
Rock and roll, Juge. We got the big guy over here. What's up, homie?
Good morning. Bonjour.
Bonjour. Shoes off. Bring him up here. Let's go. Let's go. You got it. Put him in here. Yeah. Holmes. Cheers.
No, you like it?
Cheers, Nunu.
I'm gonna try it. Cheers, you guys.
First trip of the season.
Yeah, Lake Powell, baby.
Let's go. Lake Powell. Juice said that earlier. She's like, Lake Powell, baby.
Did you see Joe's cup?
Oh, what's
I
he
can't
got?
believe you only brought one of those cool cups. You didn't bring.
Who's your daddy?
Brand new.
Whipple Bay. This is our little favorite bay that we always raft. It's called Whipple Bay.
Yeah.
Cool spot.
Let's do it.
Wait.
Oh, some. Yeah, right.
Uh-oh. This is like blue water.
And then come over here, look.
Is he spitting up some rum?
Hey, too much stuff.
Too much rum.
Shiver me timbers. Dude, he is really sick.
He's so sick.
Did you see the ghost Viner?
I've seen Noosh do that before.
Oh, El Baño.
I see him.
They're going to the bathroom.
Why'd you even call me up?
Cheers, you guys.
If you like pina coladas.
This place is amazing. I'm super excited.
But it's not from you, cause I'm not that hollow. Baby, let it be. You could try to sweet talk all you want, but I ain't that lonely. Baby.
You ready for some tubing?
Yeah! No, I want a big ball. Yeah, let's go!
Your rules, forget your shoes. I've done everything you asked, but I wasted time. Forget your truth, you're just cruel. I swear anything's better than you. Get you on the flip side, get you on the flip side. So goodbye. Funny.
Dr. Joe. What's up, Dr. Joe? Woo-woo.
They're all on video.
It was so much fun.
Did you have fun?
Yes. We're definitely gonna go again.
About to blow. We be on, baby. In low frequency love. Play the roof, baby. It's about to blow. We be on, baby. In low frequency love.
What are you doing over here, Danny Boo?
Making the water warmer.
I
Get
got
it
your
ready
girl
for-
on. I got your girl on.
Get it ready for Memorial. My girl.
Yeah.
Are you on it?
Nice
Oh,
answer.
really? Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Where's the beach? Ride that donkey.
Donkeys, I love them. They're so cute.
Cool.
It's out in the water.
Good luck to you.
Blessed be the fruit. Blessed be the fruit.
Blessed be the fruit.
Yo, we're still a lot, yeah. I don't wanna be, I don't wanna be. Sit you when I'm thinking of you, sit you when I'm thinking of you. Breakthrough, I don't wanna make do. Take two when I'm thinking of you. Sway loose when I'm sinking a booze. Two-way thinking of blue places that I'm gonna take you like. Breakthrough, I don't wanna make do. Take two when I'm thinking of you. Sway loose when I'm sinking a booze. Two-way thinking of blue places that I'm gonna take you like.
Oh no.
thinking of you. Sway loose when I'm sinking a booze. Two-way thinking of blue places that I'm gonna take you. Like break through what I wanna make do. Take two when I'm thinking of you. Sway loose when I'm sinking a booze. Two-way thinking of blue places that I'm gonna take you. Like Corona and sick, too lit, tryna flow like Frizz. I'm licked off in a rave, smoking spliffs. Last one in a place, she baked.
Good job, Nish.
You don't want to scan her.
How you doing, baby?
I look.
That was a fun day, guys. You have fun?
Yeah.
Dylan, did you have fun out there, bud? Right on, man.
Monster chip. Monster chip.
How was it, Reese?
Good.
Jude,
I fell
good?
off the raft and screamed. Guess what? Yeah, sure. It was a major day with rafting. We nailed it.
Crazy back it in.
Yeah, a little rusty first time of the season. You
But
did.
I did good.
You did good. You did good.
Where I put the depth.
Yeah, you did. We hear you knocking, but you can't come in. But you can't come in.
What's up?
What's up?
Hello.
What's up, buddy?
But you can't
Come in.
I hear you knocking, but you can't come
in. Today was successful on the lake.
What is that?
A lot of tubing.
Flipped over.
Tomorrow we're gonna wakeboard. I'm gonna wakeboard.
So am I. No thank you. The tube flooded. Yes, we got flooded. This little Denny boy was flooding us. Denny boy.
Denny boy.
Over us. And it flooded the raft.
Stargazing. Stargazing.
Here we are, just doing a little night walk. Joe went back to the house, the kids were wanting them. So we're finishing up.
Really nice out. The stars are amazing. And a lot of houses are built up here. It looks pretty, like, getting full.
Yep.
It's cool.
Hit it!
Let's go!
In my head, I was invited. I get excited when nobody knows me. In my head, you're on the outside. I'm better when
Can I get a hee-haw?
I shine. The crystals inside me. In my head. In my head, you're on the outside. I'm better when I shine. The crystals inside me. In my head.
We got it. Good job, Nunu.
Dylan, can you take...
Dylan getting carried off because he forgot his shoes today.
Cherry lady.
Dylan. And we got this one here.
All right, we have parked the boat, but look what's up. It's a sweet little hummingbird.
And poor thing is getting shocked, isn't it? Why is it going up there?
Come on, little hummingbird.
Is he still there? Dennis?
Come on, little God, let's get out of here.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, hummingbird's stuck in the house here. Go! Go! Yeah, going on our next walk. Second day.
Night number 2.
Night number 2.
Night walk. Oh wow, look what Denny Boo made us for lunch. We've got this assembly line going here. Oh, and Joe made the potatoes.
Denny Boo cooked everything.
Look at that. Thank you, Denny Boo.
Joe's idea.
Let me see your little fajita dance. Oh, there it is. Oh yeah, oh yeah. This is beautiful. Oh, and so is that. Oh yeah.
Oh, did you see my line for that? Yeah.
Little cuties.
Can I borrow this? Some sour cream.
Love it.
Baby, you're my light.
The marina. Get some ice cream for these kiddos. I got Mama Noosh. She's feeling good. She's feeling good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Little ice cream cocktail stop.
These
Cheers.
ones are boozy.
Cheers.
Cheers, cheers. Thanks, Joe.
Friends, great lovers. My one and only.
Lovers, why is that plural? Roly polies. These roly polies.
I hate roly-polies. I hate roly-polies. They keep rolling everywhere. Person.
Where are we going, Shar?
We're going to Top Golf at the country club. Oh, you guys are good. Top Golf. When we're getting reach to this. Slow down. That would be fun. Let's see. And he beat me, It's tracking.
fun? What's that?
We got no AC in the house tonight. It's really hot. So, there's Joe. It's so hot that we decided to put all the kids in the RV, keep them cool. Whew. Let's see how they're doing.
Did you see everybody else?
We got water for you.
Did you get one for me?
No, we can.
Thank you. Thank you, Joe.
Yeah, I'll get you guys your water.
Thank you.
Well, look who's up. Did you guys sleep okay without the AC?
Yeah.
It's not working. Fixing it today? You guys going back today?
Yes, we're going back today.
Dylan and Shar are going with you?
Yep, we're gonna have a fun car ride. We're gonna stop at In and Out.
Have it then in and out?
And.
And in and out. So Noosh and I stayed behind while everybody went back home. We had to wait for the AC guy to come out, and we cleaned up the whole house to get it ready for the next trip.
Lake Havasu.
Lake Havasu.
Peace be the journey.
Yeah, buddy.
Have a good trip home. I'll see you later.
Everybody come back out, give us hugs again.
No, thank you. No.
And there they go. You like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Well, are you signed up there now?
Heck yeah.
You missed the kiddos?
Yeah, you do.
They left with Joe so we can clean the house. AC's fixed.
Thank goodness. It was not a cheap fix, but it's fixed.
Yeah. Going back to Cali. At the end of the day, we decided to go to Loco's, have a good meal before the drive back.